Sikhuluma ngegame ezohlukanisa i-country la. Yeah, izo-divide
amadoda nabafana.
So everybody owaziyo odlala le game uyazi lena it's a motivation yona ngokwayo.
I-Pirates now made this mindset echanging. Chiefs they need more than Pirates for me in the yabo. Because Chiefs not been winning a trophy in the past 9 years, if not mistaken. Not 9 times, 9 years. Yeah, we need to be realistic. So the Chiefs they need a different dimension of the game.
But funny enough, the last hat-trick that we had in the Soweto Derby was in 1996, and that was scored by Jerry Skhosana. Ngwalapi. Hi, and welcome to another episode of Khohlwa, but this is a special edition with the two gentlemen, the dynamic duo from Davidton, with myself, Ichirase Soweto. On my left, we've got Junior Kanye, and on my right, it is Michael Nkambule. And today, we are unpacking the 182nd derby that took place between Kaizer Chiefs and Pirates at Orlando Stadium. And we're going to be talking about the upcoming, much anticipated Nedbank Cup final. Otherwise, Junior, how are you?
Nhlanhla kunjani mfethu ngokubulisa manje.
Ngiyaphila wena?
Hayi nami ngimnandi kakhulu.
All right, Michael?
Ngishapho nanhleki.
Great.
Danko.
Iyasikhathaza le derby.
Uyazi.
Like ama-derby ayi-two back to back. Are we ready for that though?
Yeah, obviously we are ready mfethu.
As a country.
Yes, we are South African. It's good for big teams. I will go final with you.
Yeah, it is. I think it's very good for football, and it's been a long time coming, especially for the Kaizer Chiefs, because they've not been in the final in quite a while. And then here we are, Umavala with season, which is the Nedbank Cup final, which is also known in other countries. It's almost like the FA Cup, where small teams, big teams are coming together, all contending for the Nedbank Cup Kiona, which is sure. I don't know how to look at it, but I guess the two giants, the Soweto Giants, are coming together and are going to give us a spectacle. But let's go back. Before Sia Pambil. It was 2-1 against Chiefs came in. First half, 3 minutes into the game, there was a goal.
Yeah.
And unfortunately, that goal was not defended. They lost in that game. Let's talk about the 3 minutes when that game scored. Who was careless? What was supposed to happen?
Yeah, one, I think Orlando Pirates, Jose Riviero, Nhlanhla, for me, watching that game, Chiefs.
Yeah.
And I'm surprised with Amakezonal, especially against Kaizer Chiefs. Allowing Kaizer Chiefs to build up at the back. When you have a cross first half, build up an Abukunika, and bebadlala ngama-department Chiefs.
Yeah.
And also finding Abu Yusuf Mart in the midfield, Abu Mdu. Chiefs, I think, first 10 minutes in Tantra. It looked like a team that were buzzing.
Yes.
Taking game to Orlando Pirates. And I think well deserved good Bakore for me.
As early as they did.
Yes, Liliepo, I think the coach is well done for playing him in his best position for me, observing the guy. He's a typical striker, that guy. Tall. Is a finisher. Scorer. Obviously, kuna dynamic are improving his game.
Sure.
I mean the principles in his game to improve his game. But Chiefs deserve the goal. Ngobi Pirates allow Chiefs to build up at the back and Luele center. Once the Luele center phela sekunike ingcondo. And kula state. Well done to Pirates mfethu. I think Kaizer Chiefs for scoring, and they deserve for first 3 minutes Jobusho, because Pirates I think started to defend deep. For me, they were defending deep. I look defender like center, and they deserve good back consider.
All right, so Michael, the 3 minutes. Let's talk about the 3 minutes. How careful or how careless was Orlando Pirates rather in this game that led them to concede as early as they did in 3 minutes?
I think if ubheka kahle game on Nhlanhla first minute mabade kule first 3 minutes Pirates the mistake eyenzakalile lapho it was upaseka mako i-mispass lena mabaqeda ukupress ibhola umbokazi ibhola lwela kupaseka is trying to ukuthi athi udlala noHuto and then uSolomon umshange first man wathatha ibhola kwaba ne-chance. So I think kule game into enzakalile it was all about transition kula magoli wonke enzakalile.
Yeah, but like what Julia is saying, like Chiefs was really dominating, especially the first 15 minutes of the game.
15.
Yeah, they were on. They looked like a team that was going to beat Pirates. To me, the score margin does not reflect how the game began, because the first 15 minutes it looked like these guys are going to have this thing done, sealed, and then get ready for the next game. But it's a team about 20 minutes, 25 minutes. I don't know, they were just all over. They did not know, Uguti, like, are they still wanting to win and play? Or are they now going to win and defend? Because within 26 minutes, that's when there was an equalizer, still again in the first half. So what caused those errors?
Yeah, for me, in Nhlanhla, it's very easy. You can't, profile of players. I think in this game, the different was the profile of players in this game. Nyaguzuti score doesn't reflect.
No, the first half, right? Like I'm saying, with the first 15 minutes, it looked like Chiefs was going to mop the floor with Orlando Pirates. But then, Pirates came on, and it gave them the game. And then it sealed the game in the second half, but they equalized in the first half.
Yeah, the answer is very easy. Good question on Buzayan. Pirates has got match abantu abangawin a game. They've got player. They've got compare good game this way players with players Chiefs now. Pirates, I think they've got players who can win games. As Michael Ashley mentioned something very important. All these goals become transition mistakes, missed pass, and also the shape of the both teams. Maunga chola, maunga pe goal Orlando Pirates ngikhuluma unkotha le pass idlaling outside. Ubheke two center back, which is right and left, which was this guy Tove and nalomchitu cross. I don't know what coach those two. I know there were injuries, but I'm not too sure what was he trying to achieve there. Stretching this big distance, you understand? And I think the Pola lose again. I think it was Mtu tried in. I think the boy ran with the ball. Belugui, I think, attacked the space. Was Hamugzala, it passed la between the defense. It didn't. We're gonna option the right, and then it didn't go there. Was Zamugzala, and then the ball was intercepted, and then Badlala speed in the middle. Well done with Badlalum Kota, and I think 3 touch in that Lela Pola. It's equally 3 touch there. Cause it defense it Malchola, a later center, but later Kota played, and well done to evident. I think breaking the lines. But we need to give credit to his true.
Yeah.
So good finish as well, but the goalkeeper poor. Umegu first pool near post. Marbakora pictures. Why unga just gobe in only one. Yabo ini one gobe and then I mean it's poor for me, but just pendula. I think go right to Michael all the goals transition football.
And then let's look at the first half and the players that actually dominated the first half. Let's talk about the players that dominated as far as Pirates is concerned. Let's talk about the players that showed up, that pushed themselves to make sure that they stay in the game. They make sure the game they play and play to win. Let's start with Pirates.
No, Pirates, ngijoba ngizokutshela into engayisho ngePirates. iPirates like uyabona like it's a team now, they've been winning. Different Pirates. Yeah, sengisho ukuthi yeah bona bahlulekile but sengikhulumela in terms of what if ungaba check winning mentality into esebanayo bona. Like they know ukuthi ba manage a game because if you can check the game mayicala these guys like they were behind the ball azange ba press Chiefs as much as bathanda ukudlala ngakhona yabo. They allow the Chiefs na benzeni iba press. That's why it looked like singathi Chiefs ifuna win the game in the first 15 minutes. But the Chiefs they were pressing them, but in the first 15 minutes foot logo bebanga hate like that much because by press Pirates but win the position they keep the position but without hitting them. Understand? In terms of hitting them, Skulmangani running behind the defense, behind because every time Mabaka behind the defense, Beguba like the Babuga and Jangabantabazokor. Yeah, I understand that. So the game there like I issue with na Chiefs, it's only good in transition, but now by lose a good transition.
Yeah.
Because you work a bigger sasho, umbata, udlalenge pola, uwini pola, umbata. We'll chat as a weak counter. Uno Sereno Vela Lagara. And if he played to Sereno that ball, it was gonna create it 3v1. And the score was still 1-0. From that transition, from attack to defense, Pirates and it's 30 ball and a year. So it shows good i-level yabo ukuthi manje bebafuna ukwina igame mina bengingayiboni kangaka ngoba uyabona no-coach if ungabheka no-coach naye uze naye without a striker like i-natural striker abajwayele ukuthi mhlambe badlale ngabo. It was the first time sibona uLilepo adlala lapha si-position like ajwayele ukuyidlala, you understand. He came to the game nakhona udlala without a defensive midfielder, so bengi-understand like ukuthi yini le bekafuna ukuyi-achieve like kule game le, you understand. Yeah.
Talking about coaches, the last derby ga Jose Riveiro, as you know, that he's leaving, and there's a legacy that is yet to be left behind by him. But looking at the game with the two coaches, who was better prepared with the two coaches than the other?
I think the guy is very under pressure.
Sure.
Very under pressure. I don't think he trusts his players. Chip on change.
Because there's also like the communication barrier.
How do bring the coach Chiefs good pressure now? Remember how long Chiefs not been winning a trophy, official trophy.
Yeah.
If I get up Leantole itself, if I get up under pressure, you brought this guy, he can't communicate with players.
Sure.
My team under pressure. You want to say something.
Yeah.
Specific direct to player. And then Cedric must translate that.
And
so
you
understand. And
a
now
lot of things there.
I think the biggest mistake is technical team enzile onto leyo. So ukuphendula coming to this game, mani coach Chiefs shy planning. Also reading the game. Two things. Zimshaka kakhulu and you will never win games ngaleyo mindset. Le one, if you fail, if you chop and change, especially kuma vital positions, two center back in King and Gould. And Michael mentioned something very important. Without a holding midfield, like a holding six, like we know Pirates is Maketleni.
Yes.
Maketleni is sit, protecting back, Mabadalanga 3, we are protecting by 3 and him. Become an extra, maybe a center back, we understand. Mabadalanga 4, also add, become a center back, you understand. So, Gunzim would near central. Sundowns there's Mkwena here.
Yes.
So I'm talking about teams that are competing in top class competition, Champions League. Paris just left the absolutely bad team, Paris after losing the Champions League.
Yeah.
Chiefs coach a game without the holding midfielder. The coach played cross there against this high profile game. I think he mistaken Golgaku. Even being in the starting 11, how many mistakes the guy has done? You cannot do them fun game. He had so many mistakes. I remember the game he played, not Sundowns, the game they won. There are games that he played against Sundowns before. And there are games that he played with Petro Premiership. You understand? So Susaka left. Whereby I believe good left yes ungamqala uyazi kuna 3 emile la.
Sure.
Yabo right wing back will come in here, tuck in, and then left center back will cover him. Mara mamsusa lapha mangabe umfaka la. Should anything happen, it's a goal. I understand. And Dove as well, experienced player, but for me, high school mistakes, man. Week in and week out. Yabo, there was a ball second half. I think got a dribbling pass him. Why diving there with last man? Yeah, experienced player, you can't do that. So good game. Big players won the game. It was a game for big players. I think the difference between Chiefs and Pirates Pendul, it was big game for big players. Mfuking, Ngota, simple. They won the game for
like, okay.
Yeah, for me, those two players, they were very vital. Yes, I know this boy is score. Yeah, the striker. One assist. We need to give credit.
Evidence.
But these two, without Pelipare, they've got their best attacking team in the country. Yes, I love Sundowns as a team. Yes, a group. They can punish you. Because when from defense, it's a Bafana team. That took us to semi-final.
Yes.
And in the midfield, Bafana. About 8-9 starters. They were starting Bafana. So, Pirates that's why I mean, man. Their best attacking. Imagine Tito if was there. Among best attacking, we're talking about they play with wingers. It's the only team in Petro Premiership that they play with wingers, which is so-called modern football. Wingers, they're not allowed to express themselves, you understand, to play according to his strengths. We playing a wing back, and it doesn't make sense for me. So, best attacking team for me, Orlando Pirates. So I don't think Chiefs, they were going to deal ngabo Kwinyika, yana lo Mchitalo, Cross, also Dove. Solomon as well going forward.
Yes.
And then in Tontlanta, coach Chiefs actually goal. Early. Mangite reading the game, we are going to goal. You're playing against the best team.
Right. Yeah.
Why don't tactically? I tell you, Solomon just sit there. We are happy. Because if you, ngoba coach Mangampega lo Jose, ufaka umfukeng on the number 10, and which is a Kirium fan, I never played number 10. Not on the left hand side, I'm not too sure. I think it was a mindset, game plan. Mind game, good second half I'm gonna change. I know they're gonna allow on the left hand side forward. And then ngapha ulamfana Nkotha on the right. And central evident. So now I think the game plan coach Spanile Orlando Pirates give credit to Pendula. A game plan got Jose very 7-0. Alice Mfukeng on the 10th, and then on the left hand side to Otu. And then Lumfano got on there. Mama check as my Kelash, observing just Kaizer Chiefs going side to side, keep shape. Pen, I think first half it was about that. But after scoring, Ulai coach Vula match and then allowing good no, just press them there. Because Pirates from there, I get to Kora, they press and they got the cooler.
And on your side, Michael, who was the better prepared coach?
I think mina Rivero, because njengoba ngisho wena ngithi ukuwina, like he's been keeping a winning team Rivero. So for leya coach Rivero, it was easy for him because Chiefs is not doing well. Even if Rivero can lose one game, you has good team yakhe ikhoya kazostika nayo, you understand. But if you check to Chiefs, it's different. He played this team like even now we are not sure who's gonna play the next game. So I think Rivero was much prepared for the game than Coach Nabi.
So that I've been observing, Itabi, right? It used to be like where goals are scored, where players are being made, right? But funny enough, the last hat-trick that we had in the Soweto Derby was in 1996, and that was scored by Jerry Khosan. Ngwalapi, uthi like I'm a player, I show up and actually give us their best, and let's have like 6, 7. I mean, like Barcelona, Izolo, the the Champions League, the aggregate score was 7-6. Like, when last did we see that kind of hunger, that kind of, hunger from players to actually want to score? 1996 is a long time ago. For Ruti Itabi, Isoweto Derby, Iswele hat-trick.
Yeah, Atlanta. I think so-called modern football, so-called.
Sure.
Bulele certain position to express themselves. Monga check number 10 in modern football. I'm playing Jangabo Michael now. We're dribbling wizards. Yes. Players who can do what Neymar is doing. Yeah, Abu Vinicius Junior. Yeah, one. In South African football, you become a robot when we attack. You understand, and they don't mind to sacrifice a striker Njengomaba, so a goal poucher for a striker that they play. They say is pressing. Evident Mahopa. He's a more center striker forward. What is that? I don't understand. This language of football, I don't understand. Tanzania ang Bible, so unfortunately. I think players can't express themselves. Ngoba mina last state ngazi ukuthi awu coach. Last state. You can do a training, yes, but last state awu coach. You can't tell me ukuthi ngoba check situation. Asithi manje team yatheka ngwini ibhola manje. Yimi coach on the field. Ngisho ku last state. I can only coach mhlambe la emidlalo kuya le back. That's all. But here ama situation abona yimi. We understand because singaplay nathi ukuthi let's observe them and then bezanana in 20 minutes and then we go to them. But to look at first 20 minutes we win the first 20 seconds we win the ball and me nangi one I take this guy ngibona team yonke lahle shape I punish. So just go pendula Atlanta we senza ama player with ama robot. Asmani njengoba ngisho ukudlala nge-striker that doesn't score for 6 games. Kunama striker mababuza ukuthi wayadlala week in and week out angakori. Bakutshela ukuthi is a center forward, he pressed the defense. He put pressure on them, he bullied them. And I don't understand it. Yeah. So in modern football, upendula ilimazile that thing. In Derby previously, we used to see njoba Jerry Khosan individual brilliance. Eyakhe. Udlala according to strengths sakho departments. strikers sit there. You don't allow players to track back until go edge of the box. They sit there, last there, they cheat. Midfield, they do their job. That's all. So it changes the modern football. Even wingers have a mind with a cross baller. They don't. I'm a winger man but they become second strikers and stuff. Yes, to support here, which is good to get a boxing. But I prefer good game. You compliment to Jose Rivera. Parrot they playing identity. Sometimes they've been doing well in Sundowns. Because there was no way normal Sundowns. The identity, the philosophy, how they play. They can play 20 games the same. You can score against them now and then not have a panic. They build up, Roman will be slow, they know they'll break you. And Pirates what they did, especially Jose Rivera. I'm fair to compliment the Pirates Minangas good big number wing and Jobang Shalingi Shama winger that will take you to the cleaners. So go penduli answer yako. It is thing more than football. To make them play robots and to tell them good when alapa pamau chola ball on the right, you just trap and cross. Good thing nobody boxing zola na man scale him. Yeah, I think Ilimas is the so-called modern this language ball yeah.
Michael?
Mina into engayisho yabona mongabheka nabo kuma-Grootman lo kuyakudala njengamanje ngoba le modern football like iza nento eziningi yebo because some of the players some of the coaches manje there's agency kunama-player right ekumele adlale like involve into eziningi yeah mongathi uyayibheka yabo because they are best players wabonayo ukuthi deserve ukuthi angadlala week in week out but
they don't play.
Yes, you are not the coach, you are not in, you are not a part of Ilontuzi setup yabo so you'll never know na ukuthi kwenzakalani emva kwalento lezo. So ibabaziyo.
But now ibulale like the whole flair of football, which we grew up wanting to witness every week. Which look sometimes even if you ball out at times it's like no, I'll catch the highlights because you don't feel that you're missing out on anything because of that individual brilliance is no longer there. That flair in football is no longer there. We used to have in different shows where there'd be like lessons and take-ins that we take from certain players that played. But right now, it's like, from each player, where is that hunger that is supposed to be displayed on the football pitch? Because I ultimately Michael, much as a coach right? You know where you want to take your team. You know how you want to be identified. Like, he player so. And I mean, it's been a while, but to like good about nicknames. Many Swadigers are a player. We've not had that in a very long time.
Modern football man say chiyaba ngenye indlela yazi. Ya mara ngeke sicompare ngoba vela ngisho yabona namanje ibhola lamanje selinjani seninvolve nama technology. Yabona kuyakudala bekungana ama technology like ziningi into ezenzakalayo manje ngemodern football on athlete.
Yeah.
So ngeke siplay Messi ini seziziningi into yabona nama coach mawa planner now. Kusafani nje nakuqala manje.
Play na ku laptop.
Yeah.
Awasahlali nama player phansi and actually make them watch the previous games.
Yeah, Michael said something very important. One, it is involving training. So many things that are involved. Technology, agents, whoever pays for his talent. And
yeah.
And true. And in the Sugube dangerous kakulu in Tlantla is I preach this week in and week out. Anyway, when I look at some players in terms of talent, deservingly to play for Chiefs or Pirates, Sundowns, questionable. There are players ngibona idlala wing by shift bayidlalise right back. Phela ikutsheleni into le. Player balisusa ku wing balise ku right back. That player in his career he played as a wing and then bamshift bamdlalise right back. You understand? So the problem le nto leyo kusho ukuthi umuntu contract yakhe it's a must play. Yeah, but you can pay 100,000 to play. So ilimaza ne country we still farm.
So Julia, you saying like iqiniso vele ukuthi aba player ayabhadala ukuthi adlale?
Tlantla. Mina for me it's true. Ngoba mina Tlantla when I look at it we used to have players that boy any page man. The Pirates Chiefs Sundowns.
Because of the way udlala kakhona.
They go and scout you. They sit down. They say, this boy, I think never took time to chair it Orlando Pirates. He was born to play for Orlando Pirates.
Yeah.
Content of play of the season. Star. I want to end Yabo. The boy didn't need so many seasons, even 2, 3. Bafana national regular call-up player. Either uyafika ungena sub, he score vital goals for Orlando Pirates. Champions League, actually easy. Ngotha as well.
Yes.
Yabo, umfana uqale kahle ku Pirates, obviously ngingaba criticize I beat kwamanye ama game, but he's got a big heart. Mangit big heart ngikhuluma nge-character. He's coachable as well. Look the boy, what he did. Young player of the season for me, contender. Score vital goal. I think if not top goal scorer, second, go Champions League. In Kulmangi Champions League, not better Premiership. And weekend, he won Paris the game. So, I won't go that they didn't need seasons.
To actually be
You
part of
understand?
puzzle, yeah.
If they're not going to call this boy Bafana, I will be surprised. Yes, of course, Mshia. This boy Mbogazi at Orlando Pirates as well. A centre back. The leader.
Yeah.
I think for me, he's the future captain of Orlando Pirates. He was born to play for Orlando Pirates. He was born to be a leader. Very comfortable. The boy is something else. So look at the age there. And then when I'm a player that they need to be loaned 2 years. Okay, go on, Leon.
Okay, Abobani, yeah. If you were to loan certain players, which are those players?
I'm not the wrong loan.
Sipha
Sipha
Yeah, I don't know. Sipha magama. Thina, we understand the concept, but which players?
Tandla, I will be honest, true. Specific, most of Sundowns players that are playing there, they deserve to be there.
Okay. Okay.
That's why they keep on dominating South African football. Most, ngaba 1 or 2, 3. So ngama kama you earn your place to be there.
Sure.
Most of Paris players, for me, they deserve to be there. Ngaba 1 or 2, 3 players. For me, ngikhuluma ngama big team manje. And the more big teams perform, the more national team kuba easy for the coach of national team. And most of the Kaizer Chiefs players, for me, they are average. Because if Abanbi is a national team, Nyawe national team, Kaizer Chiefs is a big team. So, best to check the position here, go back to a Premiership, questionable.
The log, yeah.
Well done for them. The final. Melisbani credit to his due.
Yeah.
But even if they win this game that is coming now over the weekend, can they maintain that now? So for how long?
Another thing.
So the question, I'm not going to point fingers, but I'm straightforward anyway. Most of players at Chiefs, for me, I don't think they deserve to be there. And 1 or 2, 3 players at Paris, they don't deserve to be there. But majority, they deserve to be there. Majority of players, Sundowns, 1 or 2, 3 players, they don't deserve to be there. Most of the players, they deserve to be there. So, awuthi Bambi after the game the final etali yabo ngizokuchazela ukuthi abobani ya.
Okay, all right. And
mhlawumbe uMichael angasho
mina
hayi bakuthi Michael othe ama-player mele alone wuwe khipha uMichael entweni
yeah mina lapha angiloni ma-player mina
yeah.
Oh, when I could play, but that's your thing, right? So
Opinion
after.
yami, yeah.
Okay, cool. Now we've got the much anticipated Nedbank Cup final. Like we said, it's the FA Cup of this country, where the two Soweto Giants are going to meet once again. So it's going to be derby number 183. But this time around, it is a cup. It is a spectacular. It is a final. It is like Imisi country. Like basically this final. And the beautiful thing about it is that it's not going to be in Johannesburg. It's actually going to a neutral place, even though it's a home game, Chiefs, that's going to be taking place. But it's one of those much anticipated finals of, let's say, the decade, because somebody has not been winning anything in a decade. So this could be an opportunity for Kaizer Chiefs to redeem themselves, to actually win a trophy. Before talking about who will win it, what needs to happen from Pirates, Michael? Uguti Pirates to maybe have a chance at winning this game. You'll talk about your former team.
iPirates ine-chance iPirates that's why ngisho wona nhlanhla ngithi uma ungayi-check iPirates ne bona banayi-chance
No,
Any-
what do they need? Baba Diga Ini, because we know that you say Guti, they're likely to win, but what do they need? What is it that they've not been doing that they should do for the first time in this cup final?
Yeah, phela umehluko ngale cup final one is not like ukuthi mhlambe bathi it's Pirates visas mhlambe Sundowns or Pirates visas.
Sekhukhune.
Sikhuluma ngegame ezohlukanisa country la.
Yeah.
Yeah, izodivide
Amadoda nabafana.
so everybody wazi yodlala le game uyazi lena it's a motivation yona ngokwayo ukuthi it's a final or yini kuyodlala kona le game uyazi it's more than a tactic lento nena they're gonna need more than ama tactics kule game le.
And what is it that they've been doing? So they've been tactical, they've been good. And again, I mean, like, they're still wounded from the Champions League that they came so close to going into the final. Maybe they would want to redeem themselves and actually win this trophy. But do they have the character? Do they have the heart? Do they have the flair and everything else technical that it takes for them to actually win this final?
Yeah, bona they've got everything bona ukuthi bangaywina le final. But njengoba ngisho ngithi leyo you must check one thing it's Soweto derby nayo ngokwayo.
Yes.
Ne Chiefs nayo mayiza kule game even nabo phela they are wounded the Chiefs because nabo banesikhathi bangawini trophy. So nabangeke beze nje as much as babadlile Saturday league game.
Yes.
But kule final kuzoba a different mentality.
Azish.
Yeah, Nhlanhla. A different game. A derby.
All together.
Yes. A derby. Ayina. Ngeke sikhulume ngokuthi Paris performed go Betway Premiership.
Therefore,
No,
it's gonna be
we
over
can't
since
say
not.
Paris they lost
Yeah.
Champions League. Paris now made this mindset change. Chiefs they need more than Paris for me in the because Chiefs not been winning a trophy in the past 9 years, if not mistaken.
That's all.
Not 9 times, 9 years.
Yeah.
Yeah, we need to be realistic. So Chiefs they need a different dimension of the game. I need any motivation. Yeah, I'm sure Naturena will want to bring the trophy for Uprake. I'm talking about players.
Yeah.
And it will change how people they look at those players and also the technical team. Nkhuluma ngesithunzi in future. So you want Chiefs they need it more. Going to this game, it's not going to be easy in future. Angeke uzipredict. It's not easy to predict this derby because anyone can win this. You understand? Because akudlali iklabhu encane ineklabhu enkulu. You must look at the support. I'm sure it's sold out the ticket. Ngonile okay complicated nyana but sold out.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. I'm sure it's going to be sold out very very quick and at Durban West emabhija.
Yeah.
I just want those players to give kungabi hype ngederby and then those players thola ukuthi baba never grounding. Can they give back? Yabo lento expect to a country. Can they showcase their talent both teams? But njengoba ngisho iderby for big games. I lay ihlukanisa country njengoba Michael. I think in the world top 10 derby is one of them. It's one of the So ainzima mfethu. It's break it or make it for players as well. Whoever that's going to perform, who didn't perform this season might gana.
You might got a chance.
Yes, and
Ukuthi,
you hamba nange squad esinamandla. Mangichaza ukuthi best 11 also on the bench the depth. Yabo le veli yohlukanisa and it's going to be difficult.
Much as it's a cup, ne? There's a statement that the very great, one of the greatest coaches like this world has ever seen, the special one, Jose Mourinho, would say that a player, he does not gauge or look at a player that comes from a cup, but I'm a player wake that he will see that this is a key player. It will come from the league because there's a longevity, there's consistency. But we've seen the Nedbank Cup producing that time and again and again and again and again. So with this Nedbank Cup, are we looking at particular players that are likely to shine in this cup? And who are those players? For Pirates, for Chiefs, Michael?
For the Chiefs,
Yeah,
I'm a player ngashine.
yeah.
Okay, njengomdu Shabalala is one of them, but if man keeps izinto simple, it's a good player, that boy, because iwe great yakhe is very good. He can do better, man. Yeah.
So whether you say Mdu is likely to shine,
Yeah, yena makanga keep izinto simple hayi ngihamba nayo umdu Shabalala.
Uye kuphela.
For the Chiefs.
Yeah.
Omunye engimbonayo ngathi uzoshayina futhi okay hayi ubani ulilepo
Yes.
ngekho dangerous naye uye omunye kumele bamgade naye no.
Okay.
Yeah.
So those two players.
Yeah,
Those are the
kulabo-
two players
yeah.
for you at Chiefs.
Yeah.
Can we have your two from Orlando Pirates?
Userena Mbadi mfana.
Usirino man so far since afike ku-Chiefs man udlala ngenhliziyo man. Akasisolo Usirino mbeka ku-Sundowns.
The surrounding.
Yena wazi ibhola we can take nothing away from yena. But udlala ngenhliziyo kakhulu man.
Yeah, I mean, I'll mention some. Yeah, I saw that Tito Masanga is starting the game.
I hope it
Corey
does.
Dizzo,
Yeah.
star player.
Sure.
Rising big occasions. Yeah. Relebogele Mfokeng.
Eh, phela
Ngibona
even
khashaza,
last-
ngibona khashaza futhi. Yeah.
Okay.
Uyibhale phansi.
Sure.
Ubheka idate nesikhathi. Aboyiwela njani? Bheka iwela nesikhathi. Uthatha iball pen mawufika endlini uhlale phansi uyibhale ukuthi Thebo Junior. Lo mfana uzokhashaza. And a special goal. Uyibhale phansi angithi ngiyakutshela. Uthatha
Sure.
isirap. Tito Masonga is going to shine. Relebogele Mfokeng is going to shine. This boy Nkota is going to shine. I see even evident. Angisife nga evident but
Mana sis.
mawulebela udlala phela you become better. So a lot of players, majority, they will shine at Orlando Pirates. Just that the mindset, maybe keep this thing AFCON, Champions League, they lost in semi-final. I think they started the derby during the week, last week. The mindset, we lost the semi-final of, I think the mindset basis said that. The Pirates needed too much, now the truth. Yes, as much as Chiefs needed too much. Pirates needed now.
But they've had it back to back.
Yes,
The
and
same trophy.
they won a league game now, which is nothing. You can't dwell with that, especially with the derby. It derby and a performance and stuff. And the Pirates, they lost each Champions League, which was very good trophies. It does well. It's just the way he started the game. He must speak with his players. You understand? The way the game na corner. Pela kula magame you want they can score against you and then go and defend. It's going to be difficult for you to score. You'll panic. You'll chasing the goal, you get punished again. So he must start mindset different, and his players as well. They don't have to wait for Chiefs. So ukuthi bakore. So kuphendula nje those players for me. I think it's this boy Nkota, Mfokeng, Tito Masonga. Yeah, this boy evident, but also Mabasa coming from the bench. Dangerous player as well. I mean, for me, I think Paris lapine goal pouch just the tangazum fanwenzeni. It's not all about performance with Tangadlali.
All right, okay. I think the question everybody's been waiting for. Michael, who's taking the Nedbank Cup?
Le ngibona ngathi ayena Churena ne. Aliyana Churena ne.
Yeah,
Ngathi yena Churena le. Ngathi into amakhosi azosijabulisa ngayo.
Hey, for the-
into ngathi sula umlomo. Bona even uma bangadlali kahle man hayi but le man hayi ngibona ngathi yena Churena ne man.
Tabo.
Mina ngicela uRevra befema.
Ish.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's another
Sicela
one.
nje
That's another one. Yeah.
envelope ingabi khona.
Sure.
Brown. Yeah, brown. Sicela envelope ingabi khona brown ngoba ibhola la South Africa lincane kakhulu. So Nhlanhla man Pirates going to win this game. Yeah, Pirates is winning the game. Mina ngeke ngitshela manga mfit because the game they determine ama player good. Pirates players they are national team players. It's not going to be easy. Angeke be easy. For me, it's a game of chances. You have to go create a chance. Also tactical game in this final. It's not going to be open. Like Mbonilo now we try to go pound to pound with Chiefs, with Pirates, but this time he's going to tell his players to go like little block and counter attacks. I'm hoping. Michael mentioned something very important. This guy Lepo, not a smart player in terms of playing football. Let me say, actually play combine and stuff, but he can score goals. He know how to break the lines. And positioning, okay, dangerous player. He's tall as well. For me, yes, he's a striker, if not second striker.
Sure.
Yeah, but with second strike, you need football intelligence, and brain as well. You need to be smart. Melwaza moment. So very dangerous player. But Nabi, Ucho need to take care of that boy. But I'm sure he's going to monitor somebody. The defense of Orlando Pirates, it looks like they can concede at any given time. Maybe space is not there. Mbogaz is helping and is a young star compared to Uchoki. They need to be smart. They cannot win and concede, even if they win 2-1 or 3-1. But for me, Pirates going to win.
Score, Michael? So what? How many goals?
Hayi wona ukuthi izoya kanjani.
Hayi Michael, lesifuna
goals. Hayi kuma goals angilapho but mina ngibona natural.
Sharp
Ukuthi kuzoba kanjani kuzoba nzima ngibona natural.
Yeah, Michael, but like okay, ngesicela iscore. Noma ngagesa noma okay, cabanga ukuthi but like we need a score. Siyacela.
I think bazowina 1-0.
Sure. Thabo.
Yeah, bazolukora really one.
Anyone bazolukora.
By mistake at the back.
Bazowina ngalo this time.
Yeah.
Bazowina ngalo.
Lona lelo kuphela. Ngoba yilo kuphela kuba yilo bafana.
Hayi neba equalize bazoyima penalty. Izoyithatha lapho.
Hlanhla 2-1-3-1.
Hayi sicela
Ukora
iscore.
bazokora njengoba ngisho.
Yeah, so 2 or 3-1. Sicela iscore siwa.
Yeah, angithi by 2-1. Mina ngibona 3-1.
Ngoba di 3-1.
Yeah.
Okay. So sibhalile phansi 3-1.
Yeah, I know.
Lapha 1-0.
Yeah.
It's 3-1 on your side. Eli Lotagala. All right, let's summarize the journey that Jose Rubio has traveled with Pirates. Obviously, like it's gonna be his last dance with the cup. It's gonna be his last derby. It's going to be. The boys can decide to either gift him a farewell gift in a form of winning. But let's summarize and let's talk about legacy yake ever since he came to Pirates. What are we making of that legacy?
Yeah, Nhlanhla before ngicede bafethu ngakhohla junior khanye khohla kuseseyiyona namhlanje. Into ezisosazoshiya ngiphethe uNhlex ngiphethe uMichael Nkambule junior khanye himself 1520 don't forget #bet with the best #WSP enamanje on. Yeah, Nhlanhla shasuku kuphendula mfethu. I think he was forced to resign. The guy who this is in my pay, he was forced. Jose Rivero. It's unfortunate before ngiphendula le question ongibuza yona because you cannot do so well and decide to leave. I mean, Pirates they are excited.
But we've seen this before with Pirates. Ayiqala ukwenzeka.
Yeah, not good Pirates kuphela.
Yeah.
Yabona I've seen kunama coach thola uJambona uTed I remember 2002 and 3. 2003 and 4 he won 2 league title with us and then he left.
The Pirates had a trouble back to back and that coach the following season. Wow.
Yeah, mangithi angiqala ukuyibona not that Pirates Rulani Mkwena did very well at Sundowns. And
but he did not win
Champions
League. So he didn't get the Champions League, he didn't win the Nedbank Cup. The only thing he won was the league.
He won Super League, toughest. I remember teams that they were there.
Yeah.
So Uluze with Champions League, but look at how he plays. How many players he produced for Bafana?
Yeah.
We played with his team there, and then the guy resigned. They let him go. So ngizama ukukutshela ukuthi into enjengale yaka Jose ayiqala ukwenzeka, but I think somebody makwi situation so is forced. Ukuphendula Jose Rivera did very well for Orlando Pirates. In the history of coaching Orlando Pirates, the guy will remain there. Yabo, very difficult. Well done to talent scouting at Orlando Pirates. The people who are scouting, Abomcolisi, Edugutu Makanya, who were together, former colleague Pirates, Ugutiski TV, a brother also. Yabona, Slade Sonke Ntuan, obviously go Pirates which is. But well done for technical team Pirates scouting. Imagine the Pirates compete again. Mangiti, talent scouting. Remember Pirates in terms of spending money, not like Sundowns. But look at the league, how close it is. If Pirates win all their game, the difference will be 3 points.
Sure.
And Pirates mangi talent identification, imalaksi yonke into Nhlanhla. I'm sure ngokotha they're not spending what they spend is Sundowns Ribero. I'm just gonna make that. But look at how the boy look at what the boy is doing. ngikhuluma as a continent as a whole Mfokeng yabo Maswanganye the list goes on Dlandla. So well done to Jose Rivero for ngoba without you only good as kunesisho sithi only good has been given a chance. The coach gave those boys a chance and believe in them. Imagine playing a Champions League away, putting those kids and have a faith on them. Ngimhloniphela lo nto Jose Rivero. Though I believe he had the chance to win the league. I think naye bayibheka iPirates abantu abazi behind he had the chance this guy to win the league. He sit there first round of the season. Decision making, I think ushawa now ukufunda game. The experience of him as well. Ngale experience now Jose, especially ne Pirates relationship being expected better because they got a chance to win the league. Sundowns bekumele ngabo number 2. Yabo uyaphinika the way Pirates was playing bengizwa abantu bashaya izandla Champions League especially kuma group stages and some league games you won kushaya izandla you plan you can't play ugly and win games and then abantu bashaya izandla 5 games iskele kune it's like lucky you can't win games ugly ngcono udlale good and lose and then you can tell good there was a problem. So well done Jose Rivero. Each journey was good. They will never forget about Jose Rivero in the history of Orlando Pirates. Ngikhuluma technical team, also the chairman did very well. And those players, I'm sure, ngaphakathi abekho right.
Yeah.
Yabo, because impilo zabo zishintshile because of that guy. He gave them a platform, and in fact to compete. The muntu lo Sundowns this year, I know nabo laba khona noma bangaywina this league, which is I believe bazowin. Azange kube easy for them. Yabo, no, Jose Rivero mfethu. And he won trophies. So well done to that coach mfethu ngintwana. No mina they are coaching the history just ukuphendula Nhlanhla has done well in South African football. Yet is ever futhi coach of the season for me.
Yeah. Wow. From being plumber to being contender of coach of
Yeah,
the
angithi
season.
mina mawuyiskelem. Makaqala bathi uye Spain Nhlanhla ngimbonile ngampeka ngathi okay. Inwele ngiyabona ziyalinka neSpain. But the philosophy, mina into embo bengifuna ukuzibonela. But the guy uthe makafika, I think the way but don't judge a book by its cover. Ngizomnika credit. I think uye washintsha uyangibonisa mina ngoba ngimbiza ngale plumber nabo. Ubona kuwina abi man. Yabo uzokela le kwalakhli ayibambe 1-0 mawutabhe kuna one shot at target. And the type of players that is got iyangimangaza why bekadlala kanje. But angiyamnika credit in fact. I mean the way Pirates says and nama season towards yophela bekumele ngayishintshi lento. They went back the way baqale ngaconsistent. So well done to the coach in fact.
So, okay, Michael, let's talk about how you are summarizing his legacy and the time that he spent at Pirates.
uRivero into engayisho ngayo Nhlanhla ufike like naye mabafika wonke umuntu bekamnyanzi yabo akekho umuntu owalo wafuna ukumupha chance but mase sikhuluma iqiniso uRivero uzohamba eSouth Africa neCV enhle yabo la yakhona next uzohamba neCV enhle change iPirates everything kuPirates without nge-low budget azange athenga ama-player but expensive letha bombatha letha botito promoter like the balance between youth nama-player amadala uyabona it was marvelous to see if you can check manje season namanje uyabona bheka kusese namanye amakhokhomelon aphumayo
Yes.
yeah, we had khokhomelons aphumayo ecaleni kusese namanye manje but I think in terms of management of ku-Pirates I think for yena manayi usucceedile even if azange ayiwini league into ashort ngayo nje i-league or i-Champions League but for yena ngimshayela izandla into ayenze ku-Pirates.
So he brought back the happy people.
Bahappy noma ungayenzana bahappy
Bajabulile abantu.
yeah bahappy but yabona nento angichaze ngayo njengoba ngisho ibalance ayilethe lapha you could see man ukuthi yazini sometimes imali is not all about ukuthi sometimes you go and buy players ngemali eningi because if you can see ukuthi naye ngabe bamnikile ibudget ukuthi athenge lama player batadurayo should beka naye bekazoziphinda ngeleague. Yeah so but bekuyenzile ngabantwana abancane kwazile ukubalance abantwana abancane nabantu abadala.
Yeah, ne?
Yeah.
All right, gents. Lastly, which players should we look out for in terms of being contenders of? Okay, let's talk about the Nedbank Cup because Sivala, right? Because that's what we have that is coming up. To your understanding, your observation, which player deserves to be player of the tournament? And then Ronizonieza, a coach of the tournament.
Nedbank.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, for me, it's very difficult. I know what it defend space. It did very well for Orlando Pirates. Actually, is a player that is not being developed. I believe I'm a player development. We are good development. Because in the Palando, angiyeza umuntu omunye ungitshele ngoJoshua ukuthi as an African player he was not proper developed and then he won play of this a Palando. Yes, I can't remember but mara ngiyakhumbula ngathi angisisho ukuthi I remember. But all the players that win this Palando, Messi, Cristiano Ronaldo, Kaká, the list goes on. They are proper developed, technically very superior. Pela, you can't coach you without the talent. You must be talented for me to coach you. It's a give and take. So, this guy is playing without the development. But he has improved, in fact. Since when joining Pirates, I have a question, but well done to the guy. Which I can't say is a player of the tournament. For me, I will give this point for a player of the tournament. Yeah. Though obvious, Kube Namago Petui Premiership, but the player of the tournament, I will give the boy. Yeah, but I will give the player of the player of the tournament.
Okay, and then a coach of the tournament.
Coach of the tournament, whoever's gonna win the Nedbank, they're
Goalkeeper
gonna award
of
him.
the tournament. Anybody wants to take that one?
Or goalkeeper of the tournament?
That's when you go China. China's gonna take that one. Sipo China.
Yeah, there was a mistake this season, and I believe he could do better. Yeah, but no Sandra man with Champions League now, did very well. But with yes, goalkeeper if they win this, which is I believe Bazo win, Bazo mini goalkeeper of the tournament, because yeah, kwazukala nanginya mfana, and he built up his extra player. Yeah, at the back at Orlando Pirates, save Pirates sometimes. Yes, that's I say negativity, but the thing is done for Orlando Pirates. They save Pirates are cool because around the world, all the teams that they are big, they must have a good goalkeeper. So Pirates, by getting that number one, China, Shinchin are cool. Yeah, so a goalkeeper of the tournament, yes, I'll give.
And then player of the tournament. See, Pavan.
Hi.
It's a pity my team can't phumile.
Yeah.
But sometimes with my own lose inside, they don't look at you. Yeah, but we not say which is like a company dlalile. Nabo phela manje siphinde sicabanga. I think good bafika final. We need to give credit. The team in a match open. It's like cut and paste. Yeah, but obviously there are players that you say you have any example and. Joba ngishinda njoba shilo Michael team yabo line up ayikho consistent. You understand? Kunzima ukuthi point ama fingers. I think team noma badliwe kule final which is I believe bazodlumela babanike team of the tournament. Yaza angibuzanga. It's never happened in the cup. But just ukuphendula Nhlanhla man. Ngaphandle kwejoke. I think yabona le player of the player
of the tournament.
It's difficult man. I think bazoyinika one of the mina ngiyangikhona kuyipointa nami mina player of the season player of the tournament ngishilo umfukeni player
Players,
yeah I will give this boy uTito man.
Again iyaku Pirates.
Ngoba win the tournament. For me I've got that belief. Yes, anything can happen. It's football.
It is, eh?
Yes, true, because it's a game of opinion.
It is. Michael, player.
Mina anginayo leyo Nhlanhla. To be
Honest.
honest, anginayo. Ngoba na it's not easy ukuthi yabona ungayijaja leyo yabona ngoba mayifani ne-league. Yabo ku-league kulula ukuthi ukhona ukuthi ubacheke bonke but njengale njengoba ngisho kuzowina la i-tournament bagcine sebayinike ngaphi play of the tournament.
All right.
Yeah.
I know, gents. It was great joining you guys once again.
Michael
Junior?
showing coach of the tournament.
Coach of the tournament ngishilo ngathi whoever's gonna win the cup bazomnika coach of the tournament. Because vele indlela ezoyenzeka ngayo angeke bathi uwine i-cup bese banikelwe abathi is a coach, because if Unabi can, if Chiefs is win the tournament, he's gonna be the coach of the
Yeah,
tournament.
true. And we can't.
Uyayibona lento leyo.
Yeah,
It's been long nabangadlali lonto zi cup final, so nabo balidinga le cup na. Uzoyideserve na i-coach of the tournament.
Yeah.
All right. No, Junior, thank you so much for the opportunity, for having me, Gakhohlwa, and unpacking and looking forward to the upcoming derby. So, of course, we'll be back next week, Mike, where we are going to be talking about what happened at the Nedbank Cup final, and looking forward to unpacking more and more games together. And I thank you so much to WSB. Hashtag WSB World Sports Betting for this platform as well. And thank you so much for liking, subscribing, and commenting on the content itself. Looking forward to joining you guys next week. And let's unpack more from myself, Unhlanhla Soweto, with the dynamic duo from Davidton. It is adios.